Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to transfer Toncoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Bybit wallet. So of course, you need to have a Tonkeeper wallet, you need to have a Bybit wallet, you need to have them downloaded on your mobile device or sign in on your computer or laptop. So we need to have our Toncoin Bybit address. So how do you do that? Let's go to Bybit. And here on Bybit, what you want to do is tap on Assets on the lower right corner of your screen like so. And here on Assets, what you want to do is tap on Deposit, because we want to receive the transfer of Toncoin from our Tonkeeper wallet to here. So tap on Deposit, and here what we want to do is deposit crypto underneath, right? Tap Deposit Crypto, and here what we want to do is tap on so there's no Ton option, right? So just do Ton, right? And as you can see, there's Ton here, so tap on that. And here, what we want to do is choose a chain type. So do that, click OK. Got it. And here you will have your Ton deposit wallet address for your Bybit account. So what you want to do is, of course, tap on copy the clipboard, and then go back to your Tonkeeper account. And here, what you want to do is tap on send, paste the address here, and then required comment, of course, paste a required comment there, and just follow everything and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.